Question is, which famous city of Turkey is found in both Asia and Europe? Answer is Istanbul. Question is, which is the longest river in the world? Answer is River Nile. Question is, which is the smallest country in the world? Answer is Vatican City. Question is, in which country was the silk discovered? Answer is China. Question is, which is the largest planet in solar system? Answer is Jupiter. Question is, who is the largest wheat producer in the world? Answer is China. Question is, which is the shortest surah in Holy Quran? Answer is Surah Al-Kawthar. Question is, which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer is Pacific Ocean. Question is, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer is Mount Everest in Nepal. Question is, which country is the largest producer of milk in the world? Answer is India, Hindustan. Question is, which is the largest island in the world? Answer is Greenland. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and support us. Like, comment and share this video.